HyperTough 2000 SI Pressure Washer Review and Assembly Guide, worth buying or not. In this video, I'm reviewing the HyperTough 2000 SI Electric Pressure Washer, showing you how to assemble and use it, and helping you decide whether it's actually worth buying for everyday home cleaning. And the HyperTough 2000 SI Pressure Washer is tagged with this video, so you can check the product directly while watching and compare the current price and available options. Starting with performance, this is a 120-volt electric pressure washer powered by an 1800-watt motor. It's rated for up to 2000 psi at 1.2 gallons per minute when used with the specified 15-degree nozzle. That makes it primarily a residential machine for jobs like cleaning patios, sidewalks, driveways, outdoor furniture, siding, and vehicles. Now let's get it assembled. After unboxing, identify all the included parts before you start. Install the handle and accessory holders according to the supplied instructions, attach the wheels if they're not already installed, and make sure everything is properly secured. Next, connect the high-pressure hose to the pressure washer and spray gun. Connect your garden hose to the water inlet and make sure all connections are tight. Before switching the machine on, turn on your water supply completely. With the pressure washer still powered off, squeeze the spray gun trigger until you have a steady flow of water. This helps remove trapped air from the system. Now choose your nozzle. The HyperTough includes 5 quick connect options: 15-degree, 25-degree, 40-degree, turbo, and soap nozzles. The 40-degree nozzle gives you a wider, gentler spray for lighter cleaning. The 25-degree option is useful for general-purpose jobs, while the 15-degree and turbo nozzles provide more concentrated cleaning power. Always start farther away from the surface and gradually move closer, because concentrated pressure can damage paint, wood, vehicle finishes, and other delicate materials. There's also an onboard detergent tank. Add a pressure washer-compatible cleaning solution according to the detergent manufacturer's instructions and use the appropriate soap setting or nozzle. Never use chemicals that aren't approved for pressure washer use. Another useful feature is the total stop system. When you release the spray gun trigger, the system automatically stops the motor, helping reduce unnecessary operation and protect the pump. Mobility is pretty good as well. You get a steel frame, 8-inch wheels, a 25-foot high-pressure hose, and onboard storage for accessories. So how does it perform in the real world? Current customer feedback is generally positive, particularly around easy assembly, value, portability, and enough cleaning power for typical residential jobs. Owners report using it successfully for patios, sidewalks, vehicles, siding, and outdoor furniture. However, some users say it isn't powerful enough for their expectations, and there are also isolated complaints involving assembly or durability. Here's a pro tip: more pressure isn't always better. Start with the widest appropriate nozzle, and test a small, inconspicuous area before moving closer or switching to a more aggressive nozzle. For washing a vehicle especially, avoid concentrating high pressure close to paint, seals, tires, or electrical components. So, is the HyperTough 2000 SI pressure washer worth buying? If you want an affordable electric machine for occasional household cleaning, its 2000 SI maximum rating, 1.2 GPM flow, 5 included nozzles, detergent tank, wheeled steel frame, and maintenance-free aluminum pump make it a compelling value-oriented option. But if you're regularly cleaning very large areas, dealing with extremely stubborn commercial-level grime, or need significantly higher water flow, stepping up to a more powerful pressure washer may save you time. Overall, I'd recommend the HyperTough 2000 SI for homeowners who want an inexpensive and straightforward electric pressure washer for routine cleaning, rather than professional heavy-duty work. The HyperTough 2000 SI pressure washer is tagged with this video, so check the tagged product to see the current pricing and decide whether it fits your cleaning needs. If you found this review and assembly guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which pressure washer you want me to review next.